Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the snapping tools. Okay? So before that let me open this. Yeah. This is the snap during transform. What we can do is that let me delete this and delete this. We can just scale this cube to the x-axis and scale it from z-axis like this, and scale it from y-axis like this, and let's see, scale it from z again like this. Okay, so shift A, I'll just go to where, let's go add a cube. Okay, let's scale it. Okay, scale but shift Z, okay, like this, and I want to place this one to here. So what should we do? We should open the snapping tool, which is this one, and I want to select we have many types, but the increment is the one that, let me show you, this one is the increment. Okay, so increment, I'll just use it for the move, and press G and Y. I can see it is holding me back, so it sticks to a grid. We know it, this one, I talked about this a lot. And the vertex is that we have vertices, vertex, okay, and snap with closest, center, median, active. Okay, what we will do is that we will take a look at it. Let's just move this one G to here. We can put it here, and let me see, press G and Z, and let me put this one here. I want this one to be here, to be put in here, so Z, and I will just put it like this, and I can select this one, come to here, select this one, shift D, and put it here, you see, and I can select both and shift D and put it here. It has been like a desk, isn't it, or table. And let me delete this one. Let me not delete, let's put it here and play with others one. Let's put it to the center. If I put this one to here, G, you see it's going to go to the center like this. So I don't want this one. Control Z, I'll go to the median. Let's see the median. It's same, but I'll not talk about this one. We'll talk later about this. So what about the edge? The edge is the edge of this. So let's see the edge one. 1 minute. The edge one to the closest. So G, you see, it's going like this, from edge to edge. So I'll put it to this edge, and you can see it. Or if I want to put this one to this edge, I can put shift D and put it here, and let me see if I can put it to the center. Yeah, we can put it to the center of this, you see, like this. But I don't want this one. Let's put it G, Z, and put this one a little bit higher, and come back to select this and G, Z, you see, it's like this, and let's G, Y, it will snip to the edge of it, you see. And let's go to the face. If I want to put something on this face, I'll just let me hit shift A and go to the cube and scale it in the y-axis like this, and scale it in the x-axis, and scale it in the y again a little bit like this. And I want this one to snip to here. Let's press G and put this one here, you see. And let me put this one again and press Y so it will snip to the face, you see. It is not snipping. Do you know why? Because the face will act like a gravity in this case. So let's see. Yeah, in this space it will be put into here. You see, it's attaching, sticking to this face, and it can be attached to this face too. Let me see. Like this, you see. But I don't want this. I'll press G and Y. I want to stick it to here, and GZ. I'll just turn off this one so I can stick it to this here. See, G X, so I can put it in the right place. So another thing is that Shift A, and let's put a cube. If I open this one, G, you see it's here, so it's sticking to this one. So I don't want this. I'll press Z, I'll put it up, and later on I want this one to be sticked here, because he thinks when you are putting this one and pressing G, it thinks that you are putting this to this side. But no, let's press G and Z and put it here, and press G again and Z, and it will stick to the table, you see, like this. And another thing is that we have volume and edge center. We talked about this one in previous lectures, so I will not talk about it. But if it's I will talk a lot more detailed about this in the nearest lectures. And the last thing that I want to talk about is that when we disable this, if I want to open it automatically, I should press Shift Tab, so it will be opened automatically, and it will be opened all the time. If I want to close it, Shift Tab, it will be closed. So it is a shortcut for it. But another thing is that if you want to open it for temporary, you can put it here. If you want to open it for temporary, you can press G and press Control. You see, Control, it will stick to it. You see, you should hold Control. Okay, so that was it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.